In a series of key insights from Allianz's chief economist, Ludovic Subran, Monocle presents stories that shed light on everything from the future of the workplace to global debt, and why even digital businesses should remember the human touch. Allianz is the world's largest insurer and asset manager, and we asked its chief economist, Ludovic Subran, for some global insights on understanding the pitfalls and benefits of the home office. Firstly, how has the world of work changed?
It has certainly awoken the conservative CEOs and leaders out there who were completely against any type of home office, or at least who thought that people were worth the square meters they occupied in their open spaces in the middle of an urban, densely populated area. So it is certainly something that has shown to some of the least interested or convinced by home office that people actually can work from home and be quite productive. And I think this is fantastic because it's a type of freedom that I think the bigger companies were reluctant to give to some of their employees.
So we'll all work from home in future?
The all home office strategy is something that is a bit dangerous, or at least the question that one should ask is whether there is a higher risk of automation, robotization, outsourcing of those tasks, especially the lower value-added tasks that happen to be functioning from home. That's the caveat that I see to the home office kumbaya moment we're all living.
How are you thinking about it?
I would like to make sure that people see the benefit of working together and that there are some productivity costs, misunderstandings, misalignments. Planning creativity is something that is very hard. At Allianz, for example, we're talking new work models. So we really want to make it an inclusive transformation. And this is something that I think workers should demand their company to think holistically about what it really means, what type of tasks, because the risk of outsourcing is one risk. The second risk is the mobility. Are you considered for promotion as much when you don't see the ethos of your working environment as much?
So there are benefits to being together in an office too.
This is all about trying to make sure that the learning opportunities, the career opportunities, the group creativity can still be happening in such a network setup. It was easy to move the soloist, but it's much harder to move the orchestra. And so now that everybody's playing their instrument from wherever they are, I don't think it is that easy to get everybody in tune and to be able to play a symphony,
Intrigued? Well, you can hear stories like this here on the show every day, or read more in the Monocle Minute every morning. Or you can find out more anytime about building an Allianz for life at allianz.com.